What if I told you that there are books in this world so powerful, so dangerous, that entire governments and religions have banned them forever? Books that hold secrets about the universe, humanity, and even the nature of God. Books that have been hidden, burned, or locked away for centuries. From the Codex Gigas, also known as the Devil's Bible, to the Book of Enoch that was removed from the Bible, these ancient texts have been surrounded by mystery and fear. Some say these books reveal forbidden knowledge, knowledge that could change how we see reality itself. Others claim they contain magical rituals, prophecies, or information about alien beings and ancient civilizations. But the real question is, why are we not allowed to read them? What truths are being kept from us? And who decides what we can or cannot know? Join us as we dive into the world of forbidden books and uncover the secrets that someone, somewhere, doesn't want you to see.